welcome back to London Kitchen. In today's video we're going to see how to make this KFC style popcorn chicken. Now let's see the ingredients. For the marinade we have 2 chicken breasts, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of garlic granules or you could use garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika and half a cup of buttermilk. Now let's see how to make this popcorn chicken. First dice the chicken to bite-sized pieces, then into a bowl add the chicken, all the spices, salt, buttermilk and give it a mix. And leave it in the fridge to marinate for around 30 minutes. Now for the coating, we have half a cup of flour, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter teaspoon of paprika, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, or you could use cornflour. Also oil for frying. Now into a bowl, add the flour, cornstarch, all the spices and salt. Then mix well. Once all the ingredients have been combined, coat each chicken piece in the coating. Then fry the chicken in a pan with hot oil. Once all the pieces have turned golden brown, remove from the pan, and now it's ready to be served. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to London Kitchen for more amazing recipes. Make sure to check out our other videos and also share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful rest of the day.